In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Meet link step by step using our 2025 full guide. Whether you're scheduling a quick meetup or a formal meeting, knowing how to generate a Google Meet link is a crucial skill. Let's dive right in. Firstly, head over to Google Meet by typing meetgoogle.com into your web browser. Once you're on the Google Meet homepage, locate the Sign In button, usually found in the top right corner. Clicking this will prompt you to log into your Google account. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your account credentials, your email address, and password. This will ensure you have access to all the features and functionalities Google Meet offers. Now that you're signed in, look for the option labeled New Meeting. This is prominently displayed on the Meet homepage and is your gateway to creating a meeting link. Clicking New Meeting presents you with 3 distinct options. Let's explore these options to determine which best suits your needs. The first option is Create a Meeting for Later. Selecting this will generate a meeting link you can use at a future date and time. It's perfect for scheduling meetings in advance. Once the link is generated, remember to copy it so you can easily share it with your participants through email or messaging apps. The second option you have is Start an Instant Meeting. This choice is ideal for impromptu discussions. Once selected, your meeting will begin immediately. You'll see the meeting link appear on the screen, ensuring you can quickly share it with colleagues who need to join right away. This option is great for urgent or unexpected meetings that require immediate attention. Moving on to the third option, selecting Schedule in Google Calendar lets you plan your meeting for a specific date and time. By clicking this, you'll be redirected to Google Calendar, where you can set the meeting details, title, date, time, and any additional information participants might need. Importantly, the Google Meet link will automatically be included in the calendar event. Complete all necessary fields, and once everything is set, be sure to save the event to finalize the scheduling. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you're equipped with the knowledge to create and manage Google Meet links efficiently. With the ability to handle planned and spontaneous meetings, your communication capabilities are now more flexible and effective. Don't forget to share this video if it helped, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thank you for joining me today, and happy meeting planning.